What's up everyone? I hope you're having a good day or had a good day wherever you may be in this world. Today I'm going to be doing my Boxycharm unboxing. I'm having sort of a weird makeup day. I tried out some different concealers and foundations and powders that I haven't used in a while, and I realized why I haven't used them. So if you don't know what Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box. It is $21 a month and you get 5 to 6 full-size products. The box usually retails every month over $100, so spending $21 a month to get over $100 worth of product is a good deal in my eyes. And it's like Christmas every month because you get 5 to 6 full-size products that you pretty much don't know about, unless you're like me and have an Instagram and follow Boxycharm's Instagram, which pretty much gives you sneak peeks, but you still have a variety of stuff that comes in your box. So they did do a new thing where it's like Boxycharm Deluxe or Boxy Deluxe, something like that, where you pay an extra fee, I want to say every 3 months, and then you get like a larger box with more items in it, but I just like this. Let's go ahead and get into the Boxycharm unboxing. To start off, we have the card in here, which comes in every single box, so every single box every month has a different theme, and this theme is boxy and chill. And it just pretty much what this does is it tells you all of the products you got, the prices, what it does. This is what's inside of the box, and the first thing that I'm going to go for is this right here, and this is the Briogeo Rosarco Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray. So if you haven't heard of the brand Briogeo, they're actually really good for your hair. I want to say they're 6 free. It doesn't really say on this, but Briogeo is a really good natural brand for your hair because they don't have any of the yuckies in their ingredients. I have gotten a few Briogeo products from Boxycharm, and I have gone and bought my own from it because it just showed me how much I love the brand. So I'm excited to use this, and I actually washed my hair today purposely for this because I don't wash my hair every day. So on the card it says, effectively restore your hair's softness, manageability, moisture, and shine with Briogeo's Rosarco Milk Spray, infused with signature blend of ultra-nourishing rosehip, argan, and coconut oils. This spray works to detangle wet hair and protects against heat while locking in moisture, restoring luster, and diminishing frizz, and it retails for $12. So I'm going to go ahead and take my hair out of the clip really quick and spray this stuff. I smelled this last night with my husband and it smelled so good. So I'm just going to go ahead and spray. The only thing I have in my hair right now is tea tree oil and then tea tree oil serum on my scalp. So I'm just going to go ahead and spray a generous amount. Usually I put in a protecting spray, but I purposely didn't. Now my hair smells amazing, and right off the bat you're gonna think I'm crazy, but because I didn't put anything else in my hair felt very like dry and brittle. I mean, it does under here because I didn't really spray anything under it, but the shampoo that I use dries out my hair, so I have to put some stuff in it, but the areas that I did spray feels actually really like nourished. For the next product in the box, I see this palette right here, which normally if we get a palette in the box we do get brushes, but this time we didn't get brushes. I do have a lot of brushes from Boxycharm, honestly. This is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea eyeshadow palette, and this is the volume 1 and it retails for $36. So just this product alone is already over the charge for the Boxycharm. I was debating on doing this or not because I already received this same exact one in a previous Boxycharm, and I ended up selling it because I only used it for one video, and it's just not something that I would use because they're cute shades, but they're not something that I go towards every day or every time I do my makeup. And a lot of them are shimmers. There's like 2 mattes, which I want to say are these two. There's 2 mattes, which are these two, and then the rest are shimmer, but even these mattes don't look like 100% matte, so they're just not my favorite at all. They're not terrible shadows, but they're just not something that I'm going to reach towards. Kind of wish that I didn't do it because it really just reminds me of why I don't enjoy it. The shadows aren't the worst, but they're also not the greatest, and this just isn't a shadow that's like a palette that speaks to me. I'll probably give it to my sisters. My little sisters love when I give them makeup. The next thing in the box, the biggest thing, are these two face masks, and I'm not going to be trying these on today. I honestly have a pile in my drawers over there that are filled with masks and sheet masks. Sheet masks aren't really my favorite, but I also don't want to use this Tatcha face mask because right now I'm due for my Aztec clay mask. So this would probably be one, yeah, this would probably be a good one to use after the fact, but again, I just don't want to use it right now. So these are the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Face Masks. It comes with 2. And it says nourish skin from within using this lightweight blend of rich germ oil, vitamin E, essential fatty acids, and highly concentrated botanical oils and extracts. Each mask is designed for maximum absorption, delivering 20 milliliters of skin-quenching serum and imparting an instant dewy luminous glow. A scientifically perfected trio of fermented Japanese anti-aging superfoods like green tea, rice, and algae instantly restore skin's health and radiance. And these, for a pack of 2, it retails for $24. So that's, even just these 2 are over the monthly thing on their own, the monthly price on their own. So I am excited to use these. Tatcha is honestly a really great skincare brand. A lot of their ingredients are really good for your skin, especially because Japanese and like Korean skin have some of the best skincare in the world. So I am pretty excited to use these, but again, I am not going to use these in this video. And the next product in the box is this right here, which is this OFRA long-lasting liquid lipstick in the shade Miami Fever. Honestly, it kind of looks empty. I'm not sure how I feel about the shade, so I'm just going to read you what it says here, which is OFRA long-lasting liquid lipstick. It is a matte lip. This matte liquid lipstick delivers long-lasting color that perfectly outlines and fills in lips. The stunning pigments stay put all day with minimal transfer while maintaining a comfort wear infused with vitamin A and antioxidants. Your lips will look and feel healthy all day. And this retails for $20. So I'm not a huge fan of this lipstick shade, but it's not awful. Like, it looks very like a deep orange in my camera here. And it's not awful. Like I said, I might get some use out of it. It smells really, really good. And it went on very nice as well. It went on pigmented and no streakiness at all. Like, it's full pigment. And it really does feel super nice. It feels super nice and it looks healthy. It looks healthy like what it says. And going in with the last product in the box, which is this eyebrow pencil, I believe. Yes, $1 Billion Brows Universal Brow Pencil. Specially and carefully formulated to work perfectly with most skin tones and brow colors. This self-sharpening pencil glides onto your brows without tugging or pulling your skin. The spoolie at the end makes for easy blending, and the smooth and creamy formula makes for easy application. This retails for $18. So it says universal. It looks like a dark brown here. It looks like a dark brown, but I like black for my eyebrows. For the brow pencil, it is not my eyebrow color at all, but I will be keeping it because if I do a client's eyebrows that has this color eyebrow, I can use it, but I just won't be using it for me because it is definitely not my shade at all. It's more of like a medium brown eyebrow pencil, and my eyebrows are very dark, as you can tell. I think from the camera you won't really be able to tell how weird it looks having light brown eyebrows, but the pencil itself is okay. It's a little bit more waxier than I would like, but the consistency of it makes it easier to like spoolie out the ends, so that way you can kind of blend it to make it look seamless. I did also notice, like, as I was filling in, it almost seemed as though the pencil was turning and going back into the product itself. So it's not a bad eyebrow pencil, and it's just not for me. It's not my eye color, but I will be using it on clients. So the overall total of the box is $110. So that is plenty over the $21 that you spend. I just think that it is well worth it. So yeah, if you're thinking of checking out Boxycharm, you definitely should. It's definitely worth it, 100%. I hope you enjoyed my Boxycharm unboxing. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video.